Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to build something super powerful and practical. A Solana-based trading bot that uses the Raydium DEX and runs directly inside a Telegram mini app. This means you can access your own DeFi trading bot right from Telegram. No separate app, no browser tabs, just clean automation and lightning-fast trades at your fingertips. Let's break it down step by step. We're going to connect three powerful components. 1. Telegram mini app, a lightweight web interface that runs inside Telegram. 2. Solana network with Raydium, where the real trading happens. 3. Back-end logic with a custom strategy, your brain behind the trades. The goal? Let users connect their wallets, set parameters like which tokens to trade, how much to invest, and let the bot execute swaps automatically using a smart, customizable strategy. We start with Telegram. You'll use BotFather to create your bot and activate the web app mode. This allows your bot to launch a custom-built web interface. This is your mini app. In that mini app, users can select token pairs, set a budget, choose the strategy, and trigger the bot to start or stop trading. It's lightweight, mobile-friendly, and it feels native inside Telegram. Behind the scenes, the real work is happening in your backend bot. This bot connects to the Solana blockchain, monitors token prices or volumes, and talks directly to Raydium's liquidity pools to execute trades. It handles wallet connections, wraps and unwraps SOL if needed, manages token accounts, and builds transactions. Once everything is set, it signs and sends trades, all triggered by user commands or auto-strategy logic. Let's talk about the custom strategy. This is what makes your bot smart. You define rules based on market data. Examples include: buy token A if the price dips more than 5% in 15 minutes. Sell if the RSI indicator is above 70. Only trade if 24-hour volume is above a certain threshold. You can plug in data from on-chain oracles like Pyth or use real-time DEX data. The strategy logic runs on your backend, checks conditions, and triggers trades accordingly. This lets you build anything from scalping bots to longer-term trend followers. Now, once a user opens your mini app and connects their wallet, the bot interface lets them choose token pairs like SOL USDC or RaySol, set investment amounts, choose or define a trading strategy, start or stop the bot with a tap. Your backend listens to those commands and begins executing trades. And the best part? It's all right inside Telegram. No browser extensions, no additional login. You can even send real-time trade updates, profits and loss reports, and alerts back to the user through Telegram messages. Before you go live, always test your bot on Solana DevNet. You can simulate trades, check wallet behavior, and fine-tune your strategy. Once it's all working, deploy your backend to a cloud server or VPS, host the frontend, and set up your Telegram webhook securely. After that, your users are just one click away from automated, on-chain trading through Telegram. And that's it. You just learned how to build a Solana Raydium trading bot that runs inside a Telegram mini app, complete with a custom strategy engine. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want to follow up with advanced strategies, error handling, or multi-wallet support. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.